wish I could see all this thing. It's a big screen.
You can't really tell on the video how much it's rocking. But we'll see when we get one of the big ones.
Like this?
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Wow! Oh my...
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. I'm videotaping. Sorry. Careful, sweetie. Careful, hold on. Is this more fun than math homework?
Yeah, it is.
Whoa! And this is the Drake Passage.
The Drake Shake.
The Drake Shake.
Yeah. Otherwise known as paying the Drake tax. To replace all those taxes we didn't have to pay on the stuff at the auction.
Look at those waves. This is so fun. Well, it's not fun for the seasick people, but it...
Well, I mean, you can talk just not super loud.
I know. I keep forgetting. I don't want them to kick us out. Oh wow, this is a big one.
Yeah, I bet this is miserable for the seasick people, but I'm having so much fun.
I know. It's like a roller coaster ride.
I like 10 2-minute videos now.
Oh, you did? Yeah. This will be a good one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Somebody was waiting for that.
I'm glad I got it on video.
Oh, I didn't really.
Yeah. I can give you guys the video.
Okay.
I'll put it on Facebook.
Do you have Facebook?
Yeah. Well, who doesn't have
Do you have
Facebook?
Facebook? Yeah, there's a payday coming. You gotta get stuff down and then. Oh, it's a shoes with that.
Oh, wow.
This is like a roller coaster.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I don't get seasick. This is so fun.
It's like we're at the top.
It's like a roller coaster.
It is.
Oh my gosh, this is the best.
It is.
Oh wow. Ah.
What about Alan? Doesn't think this is fun.
Oh, poor Alan. I feel so bad.
It's not doing well.
I haven't seen him today, but I'm assuming not, considering how he was feeling yesterday. But at least he'll be able to
And I
see the
think,
video
I
after.
think Billy was feeling sick too.
Yeah, Billy doesn't have a good stomach either. I know. I'm looking. Oh my god. Wow. Katie, how much fun is this?
Really?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
oh. Oh no. That was insane. Winter, did you get it?
I'm waiting for it.
This is so great.
That was the best.
Best ever.
Catherine's in front of me.
Okay.